Plano ISD is designed for every student.
Choosing Plano ISD meant that I had guaranteed my children's success.
My middle school had a really great speech and debate program, so I was able to get that kind of exposure to public speaking from a very young age, and I've continued it all throughout high school.
The STEM room has really helped our cadets learn about problem solving and finding multiple options that are best to what you're trying to find.
Our students reach the highest levels of academic excellence through a strong culture of achievement.
Our first year learning about the drones, it was a lot of trial and error. After we got the hang of it, it was winning the first all-around champion, where it qualified me for nationals in Mississippi and regionals in Georgia.
I've been able to compete nationally for several years now. I've placed 4th at this national tournament called the National Individual Events Tournament of Champions.
Here, learning has a real-world impact.
But while doing like REDC and everything, understanding the ideals of wearing the uniform, you're also going through regular classes like AP classes. I myself run auto tech. I was able to learn more about like gear ratios and all the components that can apply to like robotics as well.
You get a first-class education.
I also think being in speech and debate has really taught me how to advocate for myself, because a lot of speech and debate, it's like a lot of answering questions about current events, and it's a lot of prescriptive questions. It's given me a great sense of work ethic and being able to really push through hard challenges.
Plano ISD, it's the start of everything. It makes the kids so well prepared.
Enrollment is now open. Learn more at pisd.edu/enroll.